Okay, we'll see. We are here in Hawker's Lane to buy food. Ano bang mga ito? Anong mga ito, Tel? Indonesian.
Choices 13.90 rice.
Okay. Parang okay din sila. Oh, empanadas nila. Tel, may empanadas sila. Oh.
Yeah.
How about this one? Ay, karaagi. Parang ano din naman yan. Parang Japanese. Shoyu, ramen. Ano yung bibili? Ayun, di ba yun? Lipat, kitchen. Di ba yan? Yan na nga.
Because it was fully booked, he goes, and you have to kind of book it out.
Oh, barbecue tel. Magkakano ba itong barbecue din na ito? Yung isang mga ganun. Oh, ano ito, tel?
Batang.
Oh, patang.
Very sparkling soda.
Oh, ano? Patag ba, tel? What was that one? Where?
Here, Korean fried chicken.
Parang ayoko ata ng fried chicken, tel, na Korean. Ikaw akong gusto mo, pero doon? Oh, tingnan natin.
Fish and chip.
Ganyan naman ang bakmak. May homemade sausages daw. O ano?
Did you see anything you want or no?
Doon? And they will just go again. Ginger or farmer's press. Oh, pomelo.
Otherwise, we can go to the main street.
Hindi, dyan na lang.
There's the where's the one that you had where the big fish was the
Ay, yung
winner?
doon sa taas, yung malatang, may malatang sila. You want there? Pero pwede na rin dito. Kasi masyado nang malayo doon to. Oh, ano ito? Sushi.
Tapos ng itsura ng fish. Fresh na fresh.
Na dito na lang tayo.
Here this side.
Ha?
There's steel.
Ano bang binabalak mo? Masyado bang maanghang yung ano kung nag-grill kami, tel? Kuya, oh. Black pepper chicken with rice. Dito. Lipat kitchen. Dito. Oo. Ito na lang, te. Tignan natin yung menu. Upo muna tayo. Kunin mo. At dito tayo. Upo muna lang tayo dito to habalo.
You can just order when
There?
you finish looking.
Yeah. We just have a look. Ano bang nandyan? Clipat rice.
Yeah, this is clay pot rice. It's not yours. It's not the.
It's not the one? It's not the soup?
changed it.
Okay. We'll just have, this is it. Happy birthday to you daw. Okay, we'll just have a look what we will be ordering.